think I'm gonna try with the brush just because that's what they do in the ads and I just want to see how it works. So got some on the brush. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Here. Today I'm actually doing a really cool video. It's going to be the Il Makiage Foundation review. I actually haven't even looked at it yet, so I don't even know what it's going to be like. If it's going to be my skin color, I feel like that's the main thing that we're looking for here, right? Is that in the ads that they post all the time, it matches all the girls' skin colors flawlessly. So I feel like that's what we need. So I did my eye makeup, but I did not do anything on my skin. I just moisturized, so I still have to prime and all that. So I'm going to use my regular primer, but here it is. I'm so excited. So I did open it and like look at this, but I haven't. Look how exciting. It comes like this. Oops, I guess we don't really need that. It looks like this, and it comes in this cool bottle. It says Il Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. Oh, whoa, that's pretty unique. Alright, so I really hope this is my color. Looks like this. It's packaged so securely. Look at that. I hate these. I guess they're supposed to be easy, but they never are for me. Oh, ooh, it's like a frosted glass. It's so nice. My god. Yay! Oh my god, it's so nice and fancy. This actually looks like it could be my skin color. Now, if you don't know, which you probably do because they have ads all the time, they do like a 90-second, I believe it is, quiz to see what your skin color is, which is the craziest thing ever because how can you guess my skin color in just questions? I feel like you need to see my skin color. Like if you uploaded a photo or something, that would make more sense to me. But like some of the questions were interesting. They said like look at your wrist and what color are your veins. So I guess that's like your undertone. Never known that before, so that was pretty cool. Alright, so we got a pump here. So before I get into the foundation, let me quickly prime my skin. I'm gonna put my hair up. Alright, so I'm just going in with my usual primer that I know works. It's the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better primer. I'm going to take a generous amount. And then I am super extra and sometimes prime twice. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur, and this is just for my T-zone for the pores, the giant pores that I have. This is what I always do, so. Alright, primer on. Alright, so we're gonna get into the best part of the video, what everyone's been waiting for. You know what? This color looks really, really good, but we'll see. So I'm thinking I should try it with a brush, but I do have my beauty blender somewhere. I would start filming and not have my beauty blender, but I went and got it, so no worries. It's a little damp, and I think I'm going to try with the brush, just because that's what they do in the ads, and I just want to see how it works. So, got some on the brush. Oh my god, do you guys see that? This color is so good for me. Wait, I'm shocked. And it's not going on streaky. It's really going on well with this brush. Wait, how could this be that good? I've never, you know, my main thing is color matching. I cannot ever find a good color match. I feel like I'm such a weird color. I don't know if that's weird to say, but like, okay, this is a little bit maybe dark for me, but I swear in like 2 weeks in the sun in the summer, this will be perfect. But no, honestly, this is really good. It is darker than my neck, but my face is kind of darker than my neck. I'm just gonna go in with a little more on this side because I need extra coverage. Oh my god, it's buildable, you guys. Look how it took away some of those spots. put some on my ear. Oh my god. I'm doing half my face so we could see the difference. Why is it so good? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This is the best money I've ever spent. Hold on, I need to look at this closer because I don't know why it's so good. It's actually like sinking into my pores really nicely. All right, so that actual one pump just did half my face, so let's do the other half. And you know what? I'm gonna do the other half with the damp beauty blender, which is what I normally use. Okay, I actually think it goes on better with the brush, which I did not expect at all. You know what? It's more full coverage with the brush. With the beauty blender, it's kind of not. It looks more, what's the word? Looks more natural. I don't like it. I'm going in with the brush. Yeah, it's much nicer with the brush. All my foundations though look better with the beauty blender, so this is very unique for me, I must say. It's so soft. And now the weird thing is it didn't feel as soft without the brush application. It felt more drying actually. It feels much softer and smoother with the brush. So if you get this, get a brush. This one's cheap. It's just the Real Techniques number 200 Expert Face Brush. This one's not expensive, so you could definitely get your hands on this. The cool thing also about the foundation is all you have to do is pay for shipping, the $5, and you can try it out and you can send it back. And I've heard that they're really, really good with returns and all that. They're not. That covered my skin so well. I'm obsessed. I almost want to go in with more. But I'm going to just conceal my under eyes and then I'm going to powder my face. And we're also going to see if this lasts a long time, right? That's always the question. Oh, by the way, if you're watching and you've made it this far, you need to pause the video, go down and subscribe to my channel because I know you probably forgot. I know you were sitting there thinking like, man, I need to subscribe to her channel, but you know, and then it just slipped your mind. So do it right now. This is gonna be my new go-to foundation. Just can't even believe it. It's so smooth right here. It's amazing. And the concealer sits on it really, really nicely. Really does. I'm going to bake a little bit with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just put this on any sponge and just bake my under eyes and my T-zone. It definitely dried down beautifully. It's not a matte finish. It's not a like dewy finish. It's like a perfect satin finish. Honestly, I'm touching my skin. It's so soft and my skin never feels like that with foundation on. It is so nice. It's so nice. I'm obsessed. So I will check back in with you guys soon. Hey guys, so I'm just checking in on my foundation. I've been wearing it pretty much all day. I've been filming all day, so I'm kind of a little bit sweaty, but let me see if I can get good lighting to show you guys. It's pretty good. So yeah, it stayed on so well. Didn't oxidize or anything. The color stayed the same. So I have to say I'm very impressed. I give this foundation a huge thumbs up. I'm really digging it. And that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely recommend this foundation. It is so good. Honestly, total honest review. I thought I was gonna hate it. I thought it was not gonna be my color match. That was gonna be my main thing. But at the same time, I had no idea that I was gonna love the formula this much. I actually have tried a lot of foundations in my life, and it's really hard for me to cover up like a lot of the scarring here, and it covered it so nicely. So definitely recommend this. Go try it out if you haven't. So that's the end of my video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe to my channel as always. I have videos coming out every single Thursday and Sunday at 10 a.m. So you definitely have something to look forward to, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!